Hi math friends, we're going to check out some extra practice with surface area of 3D shapes. Specifically in this video, the surface area of a rectangular prism. Now I started to draw one here. So let's check out how this one looks. And we have these little dashed lines that are in the background, right? So remember, my rectangular prism is going to be like a box, essentially, and we want to find the area of each face on it and then add them together. So this particular one, these dimensions may seem familiar. We use this worksheet, so please use this to help you out if you need help. All right? Our point is always to get more practice and to get better at what we do. So to get the surface area of this thing, we want to get the surface area of each piece. Now, it might be a little tricky. I'm going to look at this. I'm going to highlight in blue the front of this. Then we're going to draw it out here. So this front piece is going to be 17 by 8, base height. Now I'm going to look at the top and highlight that in red. Here's my top. So again, that's 17 by 12. And then the back, a little bit tougher to visualize, but the back is the same as the front. So it's 17 by 8. And then I've got the bottom. Bottom is the same as the top. So we've got another 17 by 12. And then we've got the sides. So these two sides here, these are going to go off the edge here. Now when I look at the sides, it's 8 yards tall, 12 yards deep. So I've got 8 here by 12. All right, now I'm ready to actually find the surface area of each piece. So here I've got 8 times 17. Here I've got 12 times 17. 8 times 17, 12 times 17. Here I've got 12 times 8. Here I've got 12 times 8. All right, so now we work out each of these. And we do notice that we got doubles. That doubled up, this doubled up, and this one doubled up. So if I find it once, I don't need to multiply it again because we already have it. 8 times 7, 56. 8 times 1 is 8, plus 5, 13. So I've got 2 that are 136. Now I've got 12 times 17. 7 times 2 is 14. 7 plus 1 is 8. 1 times 2 is 2. 1 times 1 is 1. Add it together. 204. So I've got 2 that are 204. 12 times 8. 8 times 2 is 16, 96. So what I'm going to do is add these 3 together and then double it. 204 plus 96. Oh, that works out nicely. That's 10. That's 300. Then I add the 136. So I've used 204 and a 96. Now I'm going to use a 136 with it. 300 plus 136. You're going to need space when you do these, right? So 436. Since I've used each of these dimensions once, I used a 8 by 17, I used a 12 by 17, I used a 12 by 8. I have one of each left. So I need to double it. I can do times 2, or I can add it to itself. So my total surface area is 6 and 6 is 12. 3 and 3 is 6, plus 1 that we carried is 7, 8. So I get 872 square yards. All right, so I hope that helps. Keep working at it. You got this.